golden glow across the floor. Daylight fading more and more. I sit in stillness, lost in thought. No rush, no race, just what is not. Let the fading light remain, wash away the little strain. No answers needed, none to find, just this calm that wraps my mind. Like whispers through the trees, nothing loud and nothing grand, just time flowing from my hand. Let the fading light remain, wash away the little strain. No answers needed, none to find, just this calm that wraps my mind. Chase the things I've missed. Some moments bloom just to exist. Close my eyes and simply be, floating slow and quiet